Hello everyone, so we are back at Animal Kingdom and today we're going to be going on Dinosaur, we're going to be going to see the Lion King, and we're going to do some bits and pieces that we didn't do when we came here the other day to finish off the Animal Kingdom. Come along with us and enjoy the ride. Dinosaur ride. So it's me and Charlie on this one. Come on Charlie, let's go. So this one is really good if your kids like dinosaurs. It is a bit bumpy though. Look at that one Charlie, look. Wow. Look, massive T-Rex skull. Oh, it's a Carnotaurus, that one. Whoa, giant turtle. Wow, it's a really quick wait time at the minute, so that's why we're going on it. But yeah, this is a really good ride. It's very, very bumpy. And unfortunately, I think they're getting rid of it at the end of this year, which is a real shame because it's a really good ride actually. Oh yeah, look! Wow! Look at that, Charlie. Charlie's buzzing. Jack was too scared to go on, so he's missing out. I don't know if he'll go on with Sophie, but we're going on. Here we go. This is the loading bay for Dinosaur. You see the cars down there. They load you up in. Right, so we are now heading over to Nipple, or Nepal, as you should call it. The kids have just got ice creams, I'll show you them. So Jack's got himself a little Mickey sandwich, it's his favourite, as he's been over here. You like them, don't you Jack?
Yep, I absolutely love them.
You love them. And Charlie, you've got yourself a little strawberry lolly, haven't you? Yep. Yeah. Let me just quickly take you over here. Have a little butcher's at this. Right, so this, I'm going to have to ask a cast member or something to see if they still do it. But this was a stadium, right, where they did a really good light show. All floats come out here, and then they do something on the river there. It sounds crap when I say it, but it was really good, I promise you. And I'll have to ask them if they still do it or not. But yeah, back at Animal Kingdom. So, like I say, we're making our way around now. We're going to do the Lion King show. We're going to do some of the bits that we didn't do last time. And do me a favour, if you do like the video, please don't forget to like it. You don't have to share it, but subscribe if you want to see the rest of them, because we are doing a series, because we're in Florida for the next 2 weeks. We've been here a week today. A week today, is it?
Yeah, a week tomorrow.
A week tomorrow, and then we've got another week of videos. We're going to be going Gatorland, we're going to be going SeaWorld, we're going to do all these lovely Florida things, restaurants and bits and pieces like that. Yeah, we are going to, yeah. So yeah, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on all that good stuff. And yeah, anyway, let's crack on. Right, we're now in the standby queue for the Lion King. Thankfully there is some cover so we're not directly in the sun. Oh, don't worry about it. Let him go.
Does anyone else's children do that, where they're not with you, like as in us? They go off to other people and they're in the queue in the front. Jack likes to go like 3 or 4 families a year.
Anyway, little Noah's just woken up, so he's chilling. Oh, not working up fully. But yeah, we're going to go in the Lion King, so we'll see you in there. Right, so we've got our seats. I think they're going to be lions, I'm not sure. We'll see. But yeah, this is how it looks. Let me show you.
Wait, he turns 30.
So it's like
he turns 30 in October.
We've got bleachers on each side, on each corner. There's 4 sets, so you're going to be like a warthog, a lion, a giraffe, and something else. Yeah, and they all come out and do stuff in the middle. But it's a really good show. It's like really high standards as well, sort of like a West End standards show. Yeah, so we're going to enjoy this. Alright, so that was the Lion King show. Hope you enjoyed it as much as we enjoyed it. Definitely Charlie enjoyed it and Noah enjoyed it really loads, didn't you, Noah? Yeah, did you enjoy it, Jack? Did you?
I said I did.
Did?
Yeah.
Right, okay.
And if you want to see my new Carnotaurus puppet, then just look. So we've got a new toy review coming, and it's got my new Carnotaurus and all that in
Show
it.
him then.
Show him.
Oh, say hello.
So we got that from the dinosaur shop, didn't we? $14.
He got that from the dinosaur shop, even though he didn't go on the ride. He's lucky, very lucky.
To be fair, I think that's quite a frightening ride for children.
It's a good ride though.
It's a very good ride.
Won't be there
but
anymore
I wouldn't,
after this year.
Yeah, I was frightened for Charlie. I thought he was going to cry. If I was Charlie's age, I would have cried.
We went in it twice, loved
Yeah,
it.
loved it.
So, Noah was standing up, you might have seen there in that video. Noah was jumping and clapping, so he really enjoyed The Lion King. So it's definitely toddler recommended. There we go. So next, what is the plan, Stan?
Safari.
Right, back on the safari. I won't record that because we've already got that on yesterday's vlog, or the other day's vlog. So we're going to go on that, and then we're probably going to get something to eat. Saw some sticky honey chicken in Nepal, so we might go back there and get that. But yeah, see you later. Right, so we're pretty much done with Animal Kingdom today. We're just going on a walkway to see what's about on this walkway. It's a pretty cool walkway. Got a really big path. I think it goes from where you see the Lion King show all the way down to Avatar, you said, didn't you? Pandora. So we just...
My memory's correct.
Your memory's correct. So the plan is to go back to the hotel and have a little swim with the boys. Might get something for lunch as well, and then after we've had a little swim, we're then going to go out for something to eat. So we'll take you along. Right, so we have come here for something to eat. Where have we gone, you ask? We're at Miller's Alehouse. So I've never been here before, so we're just going to try it out and see what it's like. And bringing you along for the journey, so we'll let you know. Okay, so we've sat straight down, welcomed nicely. Good stuff so far. So the waitress has just been over to get our drinks. She's informed us that there's different drink specials and stuff like that, so that's good to know. On a Tuesday, apparently kids eat free. I don't know if it's every Tuesday or whatever it is, but we're here on Tuesday.
And they're limited, it says here, limit 2 free kids meals per table.
Okay.
So if you've got more than 2 children.
So that's worth knowing. If you've got 2 kids or up to 2 kids, you can come here and get kids meal for free.
Yeah.
Obviously you have to order mains, but yeah. So that's the bar over there and the restaurant. It's like quite a nice bar actually. So it's a sports bar.
Charlie, do you want nuggets?
Today it looks like they've got like a football special on. Because obviously we are in the Super Bowl, or the build up to the Super Bowl.
You want a burger?
So we're going to order food. Let me show you some
I
menu
want a
stuff.
chicken chicken nuggets.
Okay, hang on. Right, so
Let me show you.
Charlie's confusing me.
Chicken nuggets.
That's not chicken nuggets, that's a burger.
That's a burger.
Do you want a burger?
Yeah.
You
You
sure?
can get a big bucket of wings and stuff here.
So you got
Saw that when we come in.
Pasta.
Oh, I don't know what that was. It's gone now. Fish and chips,
Drink menu.
chicken burger, Cajun chicken pasta. That looks nice.
You don't want apple sauce, but Noah can have it.
Yeah, I've got that one.
What am I going to have?
That's a lot. It's a big menu.
I want that one.
Oh, lovely.
Lovely, thank you.
Do you guys want to do the appetizers or do we need some time?
Okay, hold on. Okay, so we've got some pop stickers, which are basically like dumplings. mozzarella sticks, which saw them, we had to get them. Charlie's got himself a cheeseburger and chips. And Jack's got some chicken nuggets and chips. So again, chicken zingers they call them here, but they're not zingers, they're just like, they've got like a little herb on these fries in there. I don't know if you can see that. They're really nice. What are they like? Good? Okay.
The sweet chili dip's nice, a bit. They pulled. So.
I think so. I think they are pork, yeah. Is that hot, Charlie? Alright. So we know that we like nachos. And yeah, this one's pretty big. So this is my hand. So this is like what? 4 of my hands? Yeah. So this is a pretty big portion of nachos. Go on, what you got something to say? So, let's see if we can eat that. How was those things, by the way? Mozzarella sticks were nice. Yeah, those were. The kids are going through what they've got. Jack's eating his nuggets. Charlie's just a bit of a picky eater anyway, so we just let him get on with it. But, I'm going to tuck into this, see if Sophie can have a bit as well, and we'll see how we get on. So this is what we've managed of our food. Charlie, as I say, Charlie's picky anyway, he don't eat nothing. I smashed them nachos. They're gone. A couple of them poppers left. A couple of mozzarella sticks left. But yeah, overall, I thought it was a really nice meal. So, I recommend that one. Quick and easy. Get it in you, get out. Easy, simple.
There we go!
So we're out up and about. We've decided to come out to Hollywood Studios to try and catch the Phantasmic show. Now we've seen that there's only like 30% coverage of rain, so it shouldn't be too bad, even if there is. Hopefully there isn't, but yeah, we're doing it. Aren't we, so? Yeah. So if you do like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So this is it at night. Let's take a look. Da, 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 da. What?
We've got no drinks already.
Got no drinks.
So we're gonna have to get
Oh,
a drink.
look, she's itching for a booze already. Look. Ah, gotcha.
Thinking of drink, like Jack hasn't got one either.
No, it's not good. Dry as a bone. We've got no drinks. We've rushed. What's the time anyway? 19:51. So we've only got like 40 minutes till it starts.
Yeah, so they say that you should start making your way from 8 o'clock
Okay.
whenever, 8:30.
Right.
Just so you can get a seat.
All right.
We can go down here and get a drink.
Yeah, come on then. Let's go. Jack just really wants to get there so he can see the show and watch his magic band light up. But yeah, we're going to get a drink and we'll see you there. Bye! So, we've actually made it into Phantasmic, and it's like a massive oval stadium, as you can see. And then this is the stage, and then all this bit over here is like all water, and you see all the bits come around. But anyway, I'll show you in a second when it starts. When we got out of the car, Charlie was crying the whole way. He was crying the whole way here and all the way up here. But now, we've managed to sort him out by spending 80 quid on bubbles.
That's not coming from the black star, where the lights are. That's coming from Charlie's bubble shooter. But my bubble shooter is...
Yeah, let's take your one back.
Yeah, and I'll replace it with a Mickey one instead of the good one.
No. How is it, mate?